Well, we're mixing things up a little bit. Welcome to RC Budget Truck Week on the TheRcSaylors. This one, it's all Abby. I can't do this. This is all Abby.
It's so cute. I picked it out because it looks like Herbie, you know, the most famous Beetle Bug of them all. And it's $21, so I knew if it was good, it would make a good toy for a kid. So I am ready for Amelia to start driving RCs. I know Nathan is. It'll still be probably a year, at least until she can understand what's going on. Maybe, I don't know, probably more like another 2 years. So I am slowly collecting these little tiny toy RC cars for her. I have a couple already, and maybe if this one's good enough, I'll keep this one for her too. $21, steering trims on the bottom, ready to run. Let's kick this thing on.
Now the funny thing is, watch, when you turn this on, this is a unique thing about this transmitter. I've never seen it before. You turn it on, the light doesn't come on, but when you give it power, it comes on. So it's only on when it's in use. So weird.
So it's all or nothing throttle, all or nothing steering.
I would have rather had a battery for my plane.
No headlights.
No.
You can put headlights in there, maybe. Snap that out. Okay, let's just drive it. It's a little gravelly through here, so it's going to be kind of bumpy, I think. But let's see if it's worth the $21 for a small toddler child. That's how I'm looking at this. If you're buying for anybody else, unless you just like this style, you don't want this. But let's just have fun with it.
All right, Abby. Oh my gosh, that's full throttle, isn't it?
Oh,
don't take it in the water. Don't take it in the water. We don't want to ruin it. It is not waterproof.
It's so slow.
No, 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 no.
Range?
No, it's just weak.
Very weak.
Whoa. Oh man, look at that high speed pass.
What though? This is a really good speed.
No, don't defend this.
I am though.
No.
It's really bad.
Okay, okay. Comment section right now.
What is
Team
this the
Abby.
range?
No, it's just that weak.
It can't turn.
It's a tiny hill. You're going uphill.
Okay.
Are you Team Abby or Team Nate?
But
Comments below.
Listen, if Amelia picked this transmitter up and just somehow figured out that this makes it go, this is an amazing speed.
Yeah, we can't.
Let's find somewhere that's not as bumpy as this.
I just want to point something out. Never on our channel before have we had to find slightly less bumpy asphalt to make an RC look a little bit better.
It's not trying to make it look better. We're just trying to have better fun with it.
Wow, it's windy.
Look at the wind. Pushing
don't touch it. The wind pushed this back. Okay, it is functioning a little bit better. Oh! Abby.
It's so cute though.
Okay.
It's so terrible.
Okay, thank you.
It's so terrible, it's cute.
Thank you.
I like it.
We can't even get slow-mo shots of this because it's already in slow motion.
Why do I like it though? It's so terrible. It's cute.
Hang on. Is this? It looks like that one of the. No, I thought maybe that raised up. Do the doors open? No, they look like they should.
Like they could.
Wow, that's just weak and bad. But I guess it would be a good one for Amelia. Like literally her first RC. It's just so underpowered. Watch. Okay, come hit my hand. I want to see this.
I'll hit the camera. It'll be like squeak.
Wow, it's so weak.
It is really weak.
Oh man. Okay, maybe our shortest video ever.
I don't know. I think a little kid would probably get bored of this pretty fast.
Okay, thank you. Like, I'm pretty sure you put one Lego block on there and it's gonna weigh it down and you're done.
Aw, I had such high hopes for this.
Well, I think this is a fair start to budget truck week on the TheRcSaylors.
This is the cheapest of all the budget trucks you will see this week.
Yeah, so everything else is still under $100, but it's much more significant and closer to hobby grade.
And should be way better.
Yeah, we wanted to start with this because I wasn't going to end on this note, and for some reason Abby liked this. I think just the way it looks.
I do like the way it looks.
Honestly,
it's so cute.
This is the worst performing RC we've ever had on the channel, unless it just wouldn't turn on. At least it turns on. And I will say this, in all fairness, you're getting a completely ready-to-run vehicle here for $21. Sometimes when Abby and I go to McDonald's, if we each order meals off of the menu and maybe like a milkshake, there's your $20. So
is it worth the food or
there's your Happy Meal toy right there. Yeah, you're always at least gonna find.
I can't make it up the hill.
Oh my gosh, you're at least gonna find honesty here on our channel.
There we go. Ugh.
She made it back downhill. Now it can drive. You're always gonna find honesty here on our channel. We're never here to sugarcoat things. We want you guys to have a good experience too. Sometimes when you're just looking at this stuff online, you can't really tell how it's gonna drive. We've seen those promotional videos. They probably take this and put like a brushless motor in it and put it four-wheel drive and then run it through sand dunes and make it look cool in the promotional video. This is the reality of the matter on a full charge. It's a kid's toy, guys.
But I still, for some reason, like it.
You're weird. But I have something that is $60 that I picked out to drive today that you'll see tomorrow or the next day that will blow this thing out of the water. I'm excited to test it. It's one of the things that we featured in the unboxing part of the week to let you know everything that is coming. And if you're interested to see what else is going to be on budget week of the TheRcSaylors, budget truck week, then be sure to watch that video. We'll have it carded at the top of this and linked in the description box below. Guys, if for some crazy reason you want to buy this, we have it linked in the description box below. You can support our channel by clicking that link and buying something while you're there, but you certainly don't have to. We're here to let you know what's good and what's not good.
Let me know what you think of this, because for some reason I'm still not writing this off.
Something's wrong with Abby today, guys. Thanks a lot for...
good like this.
No. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!